In this video, we will show how to draw facade composite sheets and how to perform shop drawings by using the PARDUS program. Let's imagine this white line that has been measured with green is the facade of the project that located with 200 millimeters distance from the reinforced concrete surface. First of all, by using offset command, I start to draw concrete surface. As previously mentioned, set the offset on 200 millimeters. Pay attention to the command line that the cap option is set to flat. By this, the start and end of the drawing will be close automatically. Then, from the tab, choose the profiles and then reinforced concrete. And after selecting curve, I convert the drawing to a reinforced concrete surface. Here, with polyline command, I start to draw composite sheets and the gaps between them. After drawing the panel lines, select the aluminum composite panel option from Profiles, and by selecting Curve, convert the lines to the composite panel easily with just one click. If the panel is not in the right place, move it using the Flip option. Now, for covering the open space above the gaps, select the Aluminum option from the Profiles section and then the Aluminum Angle Profiles option. By entering the necessary values, such as length of the profile wings and its thickness, finally click the Insert point and place the profile in the desired location. To fasten and connect the profile to the composite panel, from the Fastener section select the desired screw and after clicking on Insert point, specify the location of the screw and finally click Create. You can use Mirror to draw the same connection on the opposite side. Now, from the Insulation section and then the Silicon, I select the Joint Silicon option to fill the empty space between the two composite wings. After entering the silicon thickness values according to the guide figure, finish the drawing with 4 clicks. Now, to draw the steel box section behind the composite, from the Profile section and then the Steel, select the Steel Rectangular Hollow Section option. Based on the detail, enter the necessary values and select the Hatch option, then finally draw the box section with the Insert point. If the details are somewhat complete, use the Group command to merge the drawings together and copy them to the necessary locations to speed up the process. Now it's time to draw the box profiles between them. For this purpose, from the Profile section and then Steel, select the top view of Steel Profile. Based on the detail, enter the amounts and thickness, and also select the location of the profile axes, and draw the boxes with just 2 clicks at the beginning and end of the work. Now, to draw the bracket, from the Bracket tab, then Standard H bracket, I enter the bracket drawing settings and options. As you can see, there are many settings such as distance between the holes, plate thickness, holes diameter, plate length and width, plate height and more. After entering the required amounts according to the detail, by clicking on the Insert point and then Create, we will have the created bracket in 3 modes: Plan, Section and Elevation, where in this section the Plan mode is required. Then, by a little move, put it in its correct place. For connecting the bracket to the concrete, from the Fastener tab, then Anchor Bolts, and then Standard Mechanical Anchor Bolt, select the desired anchor from the available examples and click on Insert Point. Then place it in the correct location and finish the job with the mirror or copy command. And also, this detail can be drawn by blocking or grouping command in any part of the project. To define the required area of the detail, use a rectangle. Then navigate to the Auxiliaries tab and select the Define Detail View option. Click on Detail Area and select the previously drawn rectangle. Based on the requirements from Layouts, choose A2 Landscape and draw the target rectangle within this layout. Next, select Printable Area. Then click on the rectangle. And finally select Create to generate the detail view. Now I want to tag the details in this section using Annotation, and then Materials and Block Tags. I choose one of the 3 available languages, then select the drawing scale from the available values and run the command with a single click on the select block. Then on the details, by clicking on each subject, PARDUS automatically performs the tagging very clearly and elegantly.